Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have BX17 Bluetooth wireless earbuds and you need to do a hard reset on them to factory default settings. Now you might want to do this for a couple of reasons. One might be troubleshooting. If these earbuds will not connect to Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, or if you're getting sound only out of the left ear or the right ear, a hard reset to factory default settings is a good troubleshooting step. The other reason is if you just want to get a fresh start and delete all of the pairing history so that you can pair it with a new device, this will work for that as well. So all you need to do, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and go to whatever device you've had them paired on, turn the Bluetooth off, and then have those devices forget these earbuds. Once you do that, you can put the earbuds in the case, close the case, and wait for 20 seconds. Once that's up, you can open the case, take the earbuds out, wait another 20 seconds, and then repair the earbuds with whatever device you like as though they were a new set of earbuds.